a new one. I've never seen this one up here before.
Goddamn window with Tommy guns with them there.
Yeah. That thing's awesome. How long did you keep them on there? Woo. That's wild. I feel like I'd break my neck if I put some switches on mine because my head hits the roof just driving normally. I'd be cracking my neck. I'd have to wear a helmet. Yeah. Visor gang. AC, it's like 40 degrees out. Whoa. I didn't even see this thing pull up. That thing's pretty dope. A Parisian. I had one of these, didn't look near this good though.
Sorry, sir. I just want to grab the phone.
Oh, you good, man?
Do your thing, though. I don't
Man, no, go ahead, man. I can edit. I had one of these, didn't look near as good.
Man, I inherited it from my pops, man. He passed away. He had it in the garage.
Oh, no shit.
And I went over there and cleaned it up, and it turns out to look like this.
Yeah, oh, this thing. I seen you coming, I'm like, that's a damn Parisian. I see them skirts.
So I'm gonna leave it. I ain't gonna put no rims
Hell,
on it.
hey.
Tires on it next year.
Beautiful, man. Yeah. That thing's cool. I've never seen this one. I've never seen Vogues on an Impala before. I've never seen Vogues on an Impala. Kind of like it.